Essentially, what the anatomy of stress is that when we're stressed out or anxious, our body shuts off everything that it doesn't need to run or fight, and it amps up everything that it does need to run or fight. So that's cool if we're in danger. Not so much if we're, worried about our 21st century problems. And then to be in that state for extended periods of time, then that's when we start having symptoms. And then eventually our body says, no, I'm not doing this anymore in one way, shape, or form. For me, that was a nervous breakdown, which resulted in my having to take things easy and put myself back together, which was the best thing that ever happened to me. And to others, that could be behaviors, right? That could be drinking, sex, shopping, pulling your hair out, all of the above, which can really wreak havoc in our physiology, which is why it's such a good thing for learning a new way to be. And that can be a challenge, learning a new way to be. And it's still the answer. It's still the answer to health, well-being, overall fabulousness in my opinion.